Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to hopefully fix a problem because oil was dripped on our driveway. The driveway's not very old. There was a truck in the driveway that dripped some oil. So we want to obviously remove that because it doesn't look good. So we are gonna see if this works and do a little experiment here. So Coca Cola, regular Coca Cola, poured on your driveway, you let it sit overnight, and then you rinse it off and supposedly the oil goes away. So there's a couple things that are really kind of weird about that. One is if Coca-Cola really takes oil off your driveway, you have to really wonder what the heck's in it and maybe not drink it, I don't know. That you can actually take oil off your driveway without using some kind of harsh chemicals or spending a bunch of money, $20, $30 to get stuff that, you know, to scrub it off. So we're gonna pour this on right now, let it sit overnight, and then we'll show you again in the morning. Okay, so we're gonna pour this on. We let it sit overnight, and then we're going to scrub it with a wire brush, and that should take care of these drips of oil. Interesting that the Coke doesn't stay in the oil spots. So we're going to pour a little bit more on because it's not staying on the oil spot, so I'm not sure if this is really going to work for us or not. I'm not going to drink this anyway, so let's give it a good Can this possibly work? Now we're going to have Coca Cola everywhere. Hopefully that doesn't bring ants. That would be nasty. So we'll see if this actually works, because it doesn't even look like it's absorbing, which to me would mean that that would be a problem. But we're going to see if this works. So we put a bunch on there, and then we're going to scrub it with a wire brush in the morning and see if it actually takes it off. And if it does, great, we'll show you, and you guys can do this too. If it doesn't, we'll show you a different way. Hopefully that'll work.
The next morning.
Okay, welcome back to the next day. So it looks like putting soda on the oil stains did absolutely nothing. But we're gonna give it a little bit of a shot. Clearly my hose is broke. No. What we're gonna do here is, so we poured Coke on it yesterday, and I'm just gonna give it a light scrubbing with a wire brush. And it actually might have worked. So what you're supposed to do is, I'll put a little bit more Coke on this. I'm going to rinse it, put a little bit more Coke on it, then we're going to see if it actually took off the oil stains. Okay, so it didn't work that well. It worked a little bit, but we're going to try putting a little bit more Coke on it. A lot more Coke on it, because no one's going to drink this. And it does look like it's bubbling a little bit more in those areas. We're going to rub it in a little bit with a wire brush. The brushing is pretty much what did everything. It didn't work. So as you can see, putting Coke on oil, and even with the steel brush, didn't work. Even hosing it off, nothing. So the Coca-Cola on the oil for the driveway is a complete fail. So learn from our mistakes, that didn't work. Putting regular Coca-Cola on oil stains in the driveway does not work. It's a myth. It doesn't take any stains off it, even brushing it with a little wire brush and that sort of thing, leaving it overnight. None of that works. Don't even bother. It's a myth. This is a complete bust. So anyways, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. We'll try some other things and we'll let you know how those work out as well.